Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform soft reset for your earbuds OPPO Enco Air3i. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case. After that, close the case, and now your earbuds are disconnected from your phone. You can check it if you go to the settings, Bluetooth. If you have iOS, you will see the information not connected. If you have Android, it will move from My Devices to Save Devices. But it also depends on Android phone because not all Android phones the same. Maybe you have, like on Realme, just information in use when it connected and no information when it disconnected. Now, after that, you just open the charging case and your earbuds will reconnect to your phone automatically. And on iOS, you will see that it's connected. If you have Android, it will return to My Device, or on another way, like on Realme, you will see in use. And with this method, you can fix a lot of small trouble with your earbuds, and sometimes big trouble. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!